welcome back. In this video, we're gonna be exploring the media section. This is where you can upload, edit, manage, and delete any media content that you have on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So to access the media section, simply click on the media option on the left sidebar, and you'll be directed to the media screen. By default, you get to see this library screen where all the media content that has been uploaded shows up. You can click on an image to see it and even edit its details using these fields on the right side. Some fields include the alternative text, the title, caption, and description. It's quite self-explanatory, and you must use these options with the right details if you want your content to be well optimized for search engines later on. Uploading media content such as images, videos, or audio is also straightforward. You can either drag and drop your files onto the screen for an instant upload, something like this, or use the Add New Media File option on the left sidebar, or the top button here to go to this dedicated area where once again you can drag and drop or even select a file from your computer to upload it. So really quite simple. I mean, you just play around and you'll get a hang of it. It's very intuitive. Would take probably minutes for you to understand how this exactly works. You can also edit images in here by clicking on it and then clicking on Edit Image button. There are some options to make quick changes, such as rotating or, cropping, things like this. I'm going to show you how this exactly works. So this is exactly how it works, as you can see. And once you're happy with all the changes that you've done, you can click on the Save button and save this and then use the image. In simple words, you don't need a dedicated photo or image editing software to make these basic changes because it's already built into WordPress. And finally, you can also use these filters on the top to filter out specific type of media like images, videos, documents, and whatnot. Use these viewing options over here to see the media in form of a list or tiles. Then use bulk select option to take bulk action like deleting multiple files at once, and use the search option to search for any media file. So quite self-explanatory, all these fields over here and the search options and stuff like that. And that's about it. The media section is mainly an area where you can, add, edit, and manage all the media content or media files that you have uploaded to the website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.